No flex, no clout, just a torch and a spark. Truth in the smoke, every hit leaves a mark. A voice for the crowd, no suit, no shine. Ash hits the tray, it's Pick Jimi time. Walk in the lounge, ain't a velvet chair near me. Worn out boots, but the smoke gods hear me. No cutter, I bite it, no torch, I spark raw. Talking about parents, man, I chase it with claw. Nah, I ain't reading no notes off a scroll. I'm speaking in puffs from the depths of my soul. They swirl, they sniff, they fake sophistication. I light, I drag, no scripted narration. The 9-to-5ers, the back porch kings, the ashtray poets with burning dreams. Not Cuban, not rare, don't care if it's pricey. If it hits just right, then I'm puffing it nightly. His name is Pick, motherfucking Jimmy, light it up, no gimmicks. Both hands high, 2 birds for the critics. No gold cuff links, no swirl, no sniffing. Just flame to the leaf, respect the tradition. We ain't all suits, we ain't all grit. Some rock Rolex, some barely fit. When the flame hits leaf, we the same inside. A bushel of bad apples, full draw, no pride. Blue collar hands, white collar stress. Scrub, steel toes, even Sunday best. Ain't about status, it's about connection. Flaws in the fan, but we pass inspection. We speak and smoke, no need for show. If you pull up real, then you're good to go. No gate, no guards, just vibes and flame. One big misfit crew with a love for the same. Bad apples stand tall. Crack shells ain't small. Blue collars, white coats, one call. We light, we puff, we welcome them all. No crown, no throne, no perfect design. Just love for the leaf and a moment in time. We ride with the real, no need to align. The flawed, the free, it's Pick Jimi time.